Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're exploring Trace, a new platform that's been making some waves. It's all about workflow automation, especially, how we mix human work and AI these days.
Exactly. And our mission for this deep dive. We want to really unpack what Trace actually is, look at how it weaves AI into the teams you already have, and figure out if its big promise, getting rid of all that busy work, could genuinely change things for you.
Oh, that busy work feeling. We all know it, right? Chasing people for updates, filling out the same info in 10 different places, just trying to coordinate. It's mind-numbing for me. It's trying to schedule one meeting, 5 people, different time zones. It just eats up the day.
Totally. And it's not just small stuff, these little annoyances. We're talking about a serious amount of time, often just gone, wasted on repetitive tasks that don't add much value. Trace, they came out of Y Combinator, YCS25, which is a big deal for startups. They're tackling this head-on. Basically routing those annoying tasks to the best place. Could be a person, could be an AI agent.
Right, but lots of tools say they automate things. Is Trace really doing something different here? Or is it, the same idea with a bit of new AI paint? What makes it tick?
Good question. What's really fascinating, I think, is that Trace does more than just automate. It builds what they call a unified index. Think of it like a central brain for your company's work. It scans everything, wikis, documents, Slack chats, Jira tickets, activity logs, and builds this rich context. As one reviewer, Cakewhack, pointed out, this unified index, that's the game changer. It stops the AI agents from just working blind, gives them the full picture, that comprehensive understanding. That's key.
Okay, that does sound different. A living company brain. I like that. So it connects Slack, Jira, Notion, all those tools, breaks down the work, hands off repetitive bits to AI. But here's a question. It lets you spin up workflows from just a prompt, use templates for agents. How does it figure out what the AI should do versus what really, really needs a person?
Yeah, that's critical. And actually, username Rohan asked about that specifically. Trace has rules, right, based on how complex a task is, what type of task it is. But, and this is important, you are always in control. You can always say, nope, I'll do this one, or let's give this to Sarah instead. And the system, it actually learns from what you choose over time, gets better at suggesting. The makers even mentioned that while it's pretty powerful right away, they're thinking about more advanced customization for, the pro users. So they're listening.
Okay, control is good, learning is good, but what about seeing everything that's happening? Once you've got these AI agents doing things, do you lose track? Another user, Kate, asked about some kind of central dashboard. Do you get that visibility?
Yes, absolutely. Trace provides a dashboard so you can see all the active workflows, keep track of everything. And if you look at the bigger picture here, this is heading towards something pretty comprehensive. They're talking about adding things like monitoring how well the AI agents are performing, maybe even tracking anomalies, like if a task gets stuck somewhere. It suggests this constant feedback loop, the system improving itself. We even saw another user, Sam Smith, suggest a kind of workflow gallery, pre-built setups for common tasks. That got the makers talking about maybe even letting you upload a video to auto-generate a workflow. Interesting stuff.
So putting it all together, what does this mean? Trace feels like it's more than just another automation tool. It's like they're building this smart bridge, connecting our current tools, our teams, and this growing AI power, all based on real context, making it all work together, hopefully seamlessly.
Which brings us to a final thought for you, the listener. As platforms like Trace get better at this whole human-AI partnership, think about your own day. What's the one repetitive, mind-numbing workflow you just love to ditch first? And more importantly, what would you actually do with that extra time and mental energy? Something to think about.